Hello everyone, welcome to Monty Excel, Excel in Life. Wherever you are in this world, we all speak one language, that is Microsoft Excel. In this video, we are going to learn an amazing trick that will save your time and efforts when working with large data sets in the Microsoft Excel. Have you ever find yourself scrolling through endless rows, columns of the data, trying to keep track of important information? Well, no more. In this video, we will show you how to use conditional formatting to automatically highlight the selected row, column, rows and columns, make it is easier to spot and analyze specific data. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notification bell so you won't miss any future videos from Monty Excel. Without further delay, let's dive in right in. All right, let's highlight a column which makes easier to spot and analyze a specific data. To achieve this, we'll use a conditional formatting, a powerful feature in Excel that allows us to apply formatting rules based on a certain conditions. We want Excel to recognize whenever we are selecting a column, automatically apply the desired formatting to highlight that entire column. So in order to do this, the very first step, select the entire data set, go to the Home tab, and go to the conditional formatting and say new rule. When you go to the new rule, we'll find multiple rules available here. That is format all cells based on their values, format only cells that contains something, format only top or bottom ranked values. So what we are looking for here is we want to write a formula in order to achieve this, selecting a column with a formatted one. So use the last option, that is using a formula to determine which cells to be formatted. So the formula starts with a column, right? And it doesn't have any parameter and equals to, say, cell, and within double quotes, say col, and click on the format, select the desired color and say OK, and say OK here. Now you can see that the column is highlighted, but it is not, whenever I'm trying to change into a different column, it is not working. The reason is the action what we are doing on the spreadsheet is not able to recognize because there's no action is happening there. There's no trigger is happening there. So for that, we need to write a piece of code. That is the next step, using Visual Basic Editor. That is nothing but a macro. Macro is a piece of code which you're going to write by using a Visual Basic language. So let's try to go for an editor here. To go to editor, we can use either Alt F11 to invoke the editor, or we can just click on highlight this view code by clicking on the tab view code here, and here select worksheet. Because we are writing for the worksheet, we want this magic to be happen on the worksheet, so we are selecting a worksheet here. The event which has been selected here by default, that is a selection change. So whenever there is some changes happen in the selection, we want the trigger to be taken place. So for that, we are writing as target.calculate. So what this single piece of code is going to do, whenever there is a change in the column selection, automatically it will try to refresh. Let's try to save the file now. I'm closing the window, close the file, and whenever you're clicking on any of the column, you can see that it is getting highlighted. This will make it easy for us to analyze the data and also spot on. If you find this video informative, then click on like button and make sure to subscribe to Monty Excel. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.